G'day guys, in today's video we're going to talk about marketing your property for sales success. See, the first thing you need to realize is marketing is an investment in your sale price. It's not a cost or a liability. So you need to maximize the absolute best exposure you can possibly get so you can catch every single buyer out there in the marketplace. The more you spend on marketing, the more possibility, more chance that you're going to find that perfect buyer to pay a premium price. Marketing should be there to create buyer competition so that multiple offers come in and you can leverage those offers to secure the very best price for your property. The other thing you should consider is go with an agent that can truly show you and demonstrate that they have superior knowledge in how to market your property. I see so many agents out there that only put it on the two major portals like Real Estate and Domain, and that's pretty much all they know how to do. Go with an agent that can really show you how to market a property so it stands out in a crowd and gets maximum exposure. That will ensure you get sales success, perfect and first time round.